Kungaloosh adventurers, welcome to another TMR DIY. Today we're doing the Ronto wrap from Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland.
That's right, we're gonna do some cooking today, so let's head into the kitchen and check that out.
The Ronto wraps are a very popular dish over at Galaxy's Edge. However, at home, you won't be doing it on a pod racing engine. For us, we used a Polish sausage and some pita bread, which was very straightforward and easy. Ronto wrap, homemade. It looks kind of like similar. I'd say it's pretty accurate. You got that shredded cabbage, kind of coleslaw in there, as well as that ground pork, and of course, your smoked sausage. So, gonna give it a try. We did it a little different. Obviously, we have our own kind of pork, pulled pork, and then this is a Polish sausage, but again, should be extremely similar, should be pretty good. The tang of that coleslaw, pretty good. Gives it a nice crunch, along with like the snap or the pop from the sausage. And then again, that pork kind of gives it this weird, like, again, soft texture to the coleslaw, but it crunches, like, yeah, it's a very nice complementing thing. Something you can do very easily on your own at home. Smoked sausage from the grocery store. The pulled pork, we actually just went to Moe's. So if you go to Chipotle, Moe's, any of your own eateries, they can give you a side of pork for a decent price. And yeah, pretty easy, not so time consuming, and really delicious. So coleslaw, sausage, everything you can kind of just get at your grocery store or on Amazon. Ronto roast. Good. So that's it, guys, the Ronto wrap from Disneyland's Galaxy's Edge. If you want some more fun DIYs and bao bun recipes, check those out. Links up above, and we will see you on another TMR Tours. I just want to remind you, it wasn't cooked on a pod race engine, but it was still pretty good. Kungaloosh.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, please watch your head and step as you exit.